In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. So the first thing that you may want to do in your PC is right-click on the time at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Adjust Date and Time. And here, make sure that you set time automatically. Just toggle this setting on. Next, in your Google Chrome browser, click on the three dot icon found at the top right corner of your screen, then click on Settings. Next, in the left menu, click on Privacy and Security. Then next, scroll down until you see Security. Just click on it. And from here, make sure that Always Use Secure Connections is turned on. Lastly, whenever you visit a site, say for example google.com, try clicking on the URL. And here, try removing the S on the HTTPS part. And you can use to visit this browser or this web page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!